There we go. This is a good fish. What is this?
Feed me. Feed me.
Hey guys, it's at the SU Fly Fishing. I'm in the middle of tying up some BWO Frenchies. But the video today, I do get into some fish. It's a good time. However, it was a tough time. And what do I mean by that? It rained the night before here pretty good. And what I mean by that is it was like, I think it rained like 1/8 of an inch. And I thought, you know, I should be able to get into some fish and possibly go do some streamer fishing. However, when I got there, my plans changed dramatically. What do I mean by that? Well, the fishing went from me possibly throwing streamers to the river being super muddy, super high, and even guys that I respect as being better anglers than I am didn't have an easy day of it. So what I did is I just sort of just started cycling through stuff, found some fish, found some pockets of fish, and got after it. But it was muddy, it was high, the water was the highest I've seen it in a while. And it really took me to concentrate and to kind of find and pick my pockets and pick my areas. And I ended up, I forget how many, I think it was like 25, 30 fish. So, I mean, it was still a good day, still a productive day. It's just at times it was really hard to find fish. Now, when I found them, I was able to get a hook in them, which was awesome. But, you know, it depends on what's going on with the day and how you're fishing. And that right there, it was one of those days where fish weren't easy to find. But as most people will tell you that have had experience on the water will tell you, difficult fly fishing days are the days you learn the most. For example, I got invited to a comp down on the Nantahala, the lower Nantahala, and by one of my buddies, Zach from Fly Fishing Appalachia, and he goes, "Hey man, you want to come fill a spot?" I'm like, "Yes, yeah, sure, comp, yeah." I get there and I got outclassed. I didn't fish my best, but even if I caught 15 and I dropped 15, which means I hooked into a fish, fought it, and then lost it. Even if I had those 15 fish, even if I had those and had them in the net, I maybe would have placed 6th. It's one of those things that I really think I took as an experience to not necessarily just, you know, just go, oh, well. I started talking to guys that were better than I am, that were on the Team USA, and picked up some things. And had some truths about my fishing that I need to improve on. So it was a tough day for fishing, but I took it as a learning experience. That's what happens today on this video. It was a muddy, high water day, and I took it and I was like, you know what? I'm going to take this day and I'm going to catch fish, and I'm going to really target difficult areas and just try to get after them. So I hope you enjoy this, and I will see you back here after the fishing's done. Hey guys, just a real quick thing before we get started with the video. Just want to let you know at the end of it, we are having a giveaway for flies. So just hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you at the end of this.
There we go. This is a good fish. What is this? It's a brown trout. Good brown. Okay. Caught on a PT. It's a good 13, 14 inch brown. Here we go. Here we go. Good rainbow. Oh my gosh. I gotta get used to this. Alright. That's a pretty fish. There we go. Little rainbow. Little rainbow. All right. There we go. Oh, there he goes. There's a little stock holder, man. He came up and he swiped and swiped and swiped. He wanted that. Here we go. Little rainbow. There we go. Little rainbow. Oh, there it goes. So today's been interesting. I have some fish chase streamer, then I won't get nothing. I'll put a nymph through there and I'll hook into some fish, and then I'll go nymph something, nothing, and then I will, you know, go to the next spot, start with nymphing, nothing, then throw a streamer, have something chase it, be like, oh gosh, then nothing will eat it. It's just been weird. High muddy water day. There we go. That's a bigger fish, goodness gracious. And I left my net. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come here, come here, come here. I left my net's on the shore. Come here, come here, come here, come here. I don't have my net. I don't have my net. Yes, yeah, yeah, good, okay. Angry fish. Ah, crap. Goodness. Yes. Whoo. That is an angry fish. And it's a stalker. Oh well. It's good. About 18 inches, but it's a stockfish. Oh goodness. I think I'm gonna put my sack on. All right. So I wanted to take this reminder. This water is swift, it is strong, and I literally have a ton of experience in water. However, because of how swift and strong this water is. Regardless of how much experience I have, I am going slow. I am taking diagonal steps. I'm keeping myself skinny. I'm not facing towards the river. I'm facing across the river, and I'm stepping in a diagonal pattern, okay? I am trying to find the least amount of resistance for my step. I have many friends who have fallen in, who have just as much experience as I do, and they fall in even when being careful. So if you are on some big water, just be careful and don't do anything that you're uncomfortable with. There we go. Yeah. Pretty fish. All right, it's been tough. Since that brown, that was the first fish, and it's been over an hour. The water was busy today, and the weather hasn't been cooperating. As y'all can see, the water is very muddy. Who knows, we might be seeing turnaround with that one fish, but I don't know. Yep, that's a better fish too. Yeah, there we go. We might be getting a turnaround here. Come here, Net. Pretty wild fish. Need to switch up the flag. Oh my goodness. I was reeling in my line, about to cast back out. And would you see that? And would you look at that? Good friend Richard said that's why I always leave my line in the water. There we go. A little rainbow. That's what I thought. Hey, was that the high one? Yeah, I guess that's what they're eating. They're eating. Okay. Pretty rainbows. There it goes. Alright, we'll just through here a few more times, then we're going up there and throw streamer around up that way. There we go. A little brookie. Come here. This is fun. Okay. Oh, I know it's a rainbow. Okay. Alright. Good little wild rainbow. Alright. Pretty fish.
Size 18 Frenchie. It has a 2.8 inverted tungsten bomb, silver, and size 18 wide gap jig hook. Olive body threads, silver extra small wire, and then some UV brown ice dub. I don't know, it's been working for me lately, so I figure I'd tie up a dozen of them and put them in a box and have them ready. So what y'all saw was just me getting a hold of fish, but the amount of time I spent that day and the amount of video footage I have actually for fishing, the fish came in spurts, and the spurts were few and far between. I hope y'all enjoyed. Tight lines, blessings. Have any questions or comments, put them down below. If you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, that helps. And if you want to see more, please subscribe. I'm pretty sure I'm getting close to 150 videos of fishing topics, fishing tips, and fishing videos, and over half of them have big trout in them, okay? That being said, we are going to be doing a giveaway. I'm coming back to the giveaways. Life has been really hectic, okay, lately. But I like to do a giveaway. The first part, well, not the first part, but what I'm going to do is I want to ask a question, okay? And the question is, were the brown trout I caught in this video wild or stocked or both? Go ahead, put your answer down below, and whoever gets the right answer, the next video I'm going to do a roulette wheel, and whoever gets the right answer, I'll hit the roulette wheel. You're putting a chance for 6 flies. The rules will be put in the description, and yeah, let's have some fun with it. I hope y'all enjoy. I hope y'all go ahead and put, you know, your go and put your answers down below, and I'll see you in the next one.